Yes, now third problem. See the third problem, residential status of an individual SSE. Problem number 3. Mr. Thompson came to India from USA for the first time on 30th September 2013. That means what? Before 2013, he was not there in India. First time he came on 30th
India.
September 2013 to join an American concern as a production manager. That means what? American concern is in India. American concern is in
Yes, sir.
India and he joins as a production manager. Now this is clear. After reporting to duty, he went to Germany on 5th October 2013. He leaves India on 5th October to finalize firm's transaction. Then he returned to India on 14th October 2013. That means he left India on 5th October. He again comes back on 14th October. That means for few days he was not there in India in the month of October. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And
Yes, sir.
stayed in India till 3rd July 2018. That means after 2013, after 14th October 2013, he stayed till 3rd July 2018. That means almost for 5 years he was there in India. Then he again goes back to USA. When he went back to USA on 3rd July 2018. Afterwards, he came back to join duty on 13th November 2019. That means again he comes back to India on 13th November 2019. Okay, find out his residential status for the previous year 2019-20. So whether the question is clear now? Whether the question is
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes. So what is the previous year here? Can you tell me? Assessment year not given. Directly in the question itself they have mentioned previous year. What is the previous year?
Previous year 1920.
Previous year
Ah,
1920.
1920.
Yes. So first
Yes,
step
sir.
in solving the problem is writing down the previous year. So we need to write the previous year. Answer problem solution part. First one previous year. Previous year starts from
Yes.
when? That is usually financial year starts from when? April to March.
Yes, April.
Yes.
March.
So April to March we have written. See this 1/4/2019 to 31/3/2020. Whether this is
Yes, sir.
clear? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So after knowing the previous year, next thing we need to do is how many days he was there in India in the previous year. That we need to calculate. How to calculate? See
Yes,
this
sir.
last sentence.
Like
Yeah.
he joined the duty,
He
on
joined.
13th November.
Yes, yes. That means what? After 13th November, he was there in India. He was there
India.
in India.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
this sentence is very important. Last sentence. See this. He came back to join duty on 13th November. That means from 13th November 2019 till at the end of previous year. What is the end of previous year? Can you tell me?
31st May
Yes.
2020.
31st 3 2020. From 13th November 2019 to 31st 3 2020, he was there in India. So how many months? How many days? That we need to calculate. First one. See, in November, how many days are there?
140 days.
Yeah, in November, how many days are there? 30 days, isn't it?
18 days he was there.
Yes, 30 days
Yes.
are there in November. 12 days he was not there in India. Why? Because he
Yeah.
came to India on 13th November. That means
Even
13th
30
November is
have to
included.
count, sir.
Yes. Yes, Anuj.
In 13 also you have to count now.
Yes, yes. 13 also you need to count because 13
I
he
got
came
it,
to
sir. I
India,
thought,
right? That day is also
yes.
included.
Yes.
So you need to do 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12. If you do 30 minus
Yes.
12, you will get 80.
80.
In November, 18 days. Then December, how many
Yes.
days? 31 days. Then January, 31 days. February, 29. Why 29? It is a leap year. 2020 is a leap year. February, 1 days extra. Then March, 31 days. So total number of days. 18 plus 31 plus 31 plus 29 plus 31. 140 days. So now stay in India in the previous year is 140 days. But what is the rule, Anuj? Can you tell me the rule? What is the rule?
It should be more than 180, 182 days.
Yes, but here he is stayed only for 140 days. So first basic condition
Yes,
is
sir.
not satisfied. First basic condition is not
Yes, sir.
satisfied. But in basic condition, what happens? Any one of the two condition. If he satisfies any one of the two condition, he can be declared as resident. That means what? First condition is not satisfied. Now, can you tell me the second
Not
condition?
satisfied.
Second condition, basic condition.
Like it should be more than like year.
Yes. See, second basic condition is 60 plus 365. You need to remember like this.
Yeah.
Second basic condition is 60 days in previous year and 365 days
Yeah.
in aggregate in 4 year preceding the previous year. So how to remember second
4
basic
years
condition?
preceding the previous year.
Yes, yes. See this.
That's it.
Once I will show. Once I will show second basic condition. See this. See this. Can you see this one? He has been in India for a period or periods aggregating for 365 days or more during 4 years preceding the previous year and is in India for a period or periods amounting in all to 60 days or more in the previous year. Whether this is clear? Second basic condition.
In previous year, it should be more than 60 days.
Yes. Then
And 4 years preceding. Sorry, like
yes, correct.
preceding the previous year, it should be more than 365 days.
365 days. Now
Like
we
4
need to
years
check
back.
that. Now
4
we
years
need to
back.
check. See this, whether he was more than 60 days in the previous year.
Yes.
Yes. So now next thing we
That's
need to
it.
see whether he was there for 365 days in the last 4 years preceding the previous year. That is
Like, no, sir,
2018,
he was not
19,
there.
7. How?
Sorry, he was resident, yeah.
Yes. So how to see 94 plus 365 plus 365 plus 366. That is of course more than 365 days, isn't it? It will be more than
Yes, sir.
1000 days.
Yes, sir.
4 year total. See this 2018, 19, 17, 18, 16, 17, 15, 16. We want only 4 year information.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we know he is a resident because he satisfied second basic condition. Whether this is clear?
Condition.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now he is a
Yes.
resident. Now what is the next step? Next step is now whether now we want to know whether he is a resident and ordinarily resident. Next thing we want to know whether he is a resident and ordinarily resident or resident and not ordinarily resident. For that, what thing we need to do? 10-year calculation we need to make. See this, we have calculated 10-year calculation. Why we have done 10-year calculation? Can you tell me?
No idea, sir.
Can you tell me why we have done 10-year calculation? Because if you see additional condition, once you see the additional condition, can you see the additional condition here? See this, resident and ordinarily resident. Can you see this condition? First one, you see, he has been a resident in India for at least 2 out of 10 previous year, immediately preceding the relevant previous year. And
Yes, sir.
he has been there in India for a period of at least 730 days during 7 years, immediately preceding the relevant previous year. So he should satisfy both the additional condition in order to call him as a resident and ordinarily resident. So now, whether there is more than 2 are in last 10 years preceding the previous year, can you see this? Whether there is more than 2
Yes,
are.
sir.
Yes, see this, in the first 4 year itself,
Yes, sir.
he is a resident. That means first additional condition is satisfied.
Yes.
Yes. So now we need to see
Satisfied.
second additional condition. What is second additional condition? 730 days in last 7 years. So 730 days. Yes. From
7.
2018, 19, 17, 18, 16, 17, 15, 16, 14, 15, 13, 14, 2012, 13.
Yes.
Yes. These are the 7 year preceding the
Yes.
previous year. Whether he was there in India for 730 days, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
How?
sir.
How?
Because itself 18, 19, 17, 18, he was there more than like 365 days he was there, sir.
Yes.
He had
Yes.
365, 365.
Yes. If we add also, it will be around more than 1,500 days. See this, 94 plus
Yes, sir.
365 plus 365 plus 366
Yes,
plus
sir.
365 plus 175.
365,
Yes.
75.
Yes. So now
He was there,
directly
sir.
we can say that he is a resident and ordinarily resident. How we can say he is a resident and
Yes.
ordinal resident? Because he satisfied any one of
Because
the
he
two.
satisfy both the conditions.
Yes, both the additional condition, and before that he satisfied any one of the two basic condition under section 6
Condition.
clause 1.
Second condition, yeah.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
basic condition comes under section 6 clause 1, then additional condition comes under section 6 clause 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now we have discussed till here. See this 2014-15 till here we have discussed. So how
Yes.
we can know that in the year 2017-18 there is 365 days? Can you see the question? See this. After reporting to duty, he went to Germany on 5th October 2013. First time he came when? On 30th September 2013. Then he,
30th September 2013.
yes, after that
Only
he,
for 5 days he was.
yes, after that he leaves India. He leaves India and he goes to Germany on 5th October. Again he
Germany.
returns to India on 14th October. That means what?
14th October.
5th to 13th October. That means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
9 days.
13. Yes. During those days, he was not there in India. In the month of
Yeah.
October, during those days, I told right, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Those days he was not there in India. Again, he came back to India on 14th October 2013.
Yes, sir.
Then after that, he stayed in India till 3rd July 2018. That means first we know 2018-19 year preceding the previous year, we know 94 days. That we have calculated. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
How to
sir.
calculate? See this 2018-19 means what? Can you tell me? 2018-19 means what? From when does
The year
2018-19 starts?
like 4th, 1st April. 1st
Ah.
April it starts. Sir,
Yes, correct.
2018.
1st April
And ends on
2018.
2019.
Yes. 1st April 2018 it starts and it ends on 31/3/2019. Isn't it?
2019.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
if we see this year, 2018-19 year, what is the information we are having? See this. He stayed in India till 3rd July 2018. That means how many months he was there in India in the year 2018-19? Can you tell me?
94 days.
Yeah, how many months? 3 months. So what are those 3
3
months?
months. 3 months.
First is April. See this. April 30 days
Yes,
plus
sir.
May 31 days plus
300.
June 30 days. Then till
June
3rd
30
July
days.
they have
July
said.
3 days.
Yes, July 3 days.
Yes,
Total
sir.
is 94 days. Whether this is clear? Why we
Yes,
have
sir.
written R? Because he
Yes, sir.
satisfied second basic condition. 60 plus 365
Yes,
days.
sir.
Yes. So second year 17-18. Now you see 17-18. Why we have written 365 days? 17-18. Can you tell me?
Sorry, sir?
17-18. Year 17-18. Why we have written 365 days? What is the reason?
He was there in India, sir.
Yes, he was there in India. How to know?
Yes.
Hmm?
So, like previous year, sir.
Yeah, previous year. See this information. He returned to India on 2013. Then he stayed
Yes,
till
sir.
3rd July 2018 means what?
Yes, sir.
2017-18 means 1/4/2017 till 31/3/2018. Yes. During that period he was there in
Yes, sir.
India. Yes, 365 days. R.
Yes, sir.
What about 2016-17? Same. Again he was there in India. Full year. 365 days. Again resident.
Yes, sir.
What about 15-16? Why we have written 366 days? Why we have written
Leap year
366
comes,
days?
sir.
Leap
Leap
year.
year.
Because 2000,
Leap year.
2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, for every 4 year there is a leap year. Leap year means in
Leap
February
year.
there is 1 day extra. That is why we have written
1 day extra,
366
29
days.
days.
Yes. So we
Yes,
have
sir.
written R. Okay. Then what about 14-15? 14-15 also same thing. Full year he was there in India. But next adjustment comes for 13-14. Very important. This year. 13-14 we need to calculate how many days he was there in India. How to calculate for
Yes, sir.
13-14? See this. When he
Like
came
push.
for the first time, Anuj.
Once.
Yes.
He came on 30th September 2013.
Whether that
Like,
30th September is included.
yes, sir. 1 day. No. Yeah.
Yes, that 1 day is
Okay.
included because that day he came to India, right? That day is also counted.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, so 1 day of
Okay.
September. Now we know 1 day of September.
September.
See this. After that, till October 5, he was there in India. That means what? 5 days of
There in
October.
India.
5 days of
October.
October. See this 1 plus 5.
October.
Yes. After that,
Yes,
what
sir.
happens? He goes to Germany and come back on 14th October. So we need to calculate how many days he was not there in India in the month of October. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 days he was not there.
He returned on 14th, no, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
8 days he was
Yes,
not
sir.
there
Got
in
it.
India.
He
Do you
was
agree
not
with
there.
me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 8
Yes,
plus
sir.
5 we have already written. 8 plus 5 we
Yes,
have
sir.
already written. So 8 plus 5 how much?
8 plus 5 is 13.
13. Total number of days in October how much?
October 31 days.
31. 31 minus 13 if you do. Because we want number
18.
of days he was there in India.
Yeah, 18 days. Sir.
Yes, 31 minus 13 in the month of October, 18 days. Okay. So after
Yes,
that,
sir.
what about November? November he was there. Yes, 30 days.
Yes, sir.
December 31 days. January
Yes,
31
sir.
days. February
31 days.
28 days. March
28.
31 days. So if you make the
31 days.
total of all these things, it will be
175
175
days.
days. Why we have written NR? Can you tell me? In front of 175 days, we have written NR. Why?
He was not there, I guess.
Yeah, what is the rule? What is the basic rule? First condition, can you tell me the first condition?
He should be more than 82 days.
What 82 days? More than
Uh,
how many months
months,
at least he
like
should be there in India in the
6 months.
previous
6
year?
months. 6 months.
Yes, 6 months means how many days?
182 days.
Yeah,
No,
yes.
yeah. No,
Yeah,
no, wait.
182 days,
Yes, sir.
correct. 182 days.
Yes,
So
sir.
whether 175 is more than 182?
Sorry, sir. Like it is less
Yeah,
than
it is less.
182 days.
Yes, it is less than 182 days. That is why we have written NR, non-resident. That is why we have written NR non-resident. Whether this is clear, if it is more than 182 days, so if it is more than 182 days, we can write R, resident.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
He was
Then,
not there, so NR.
yes, NR. What about 2000?
Non-resident, no, sir.
Yes, non-resident. Non-resident means person who was not there in India at all. That means he was there in India for less than 182 days. Yes. So last 4 year you see 2012, 13, 11, 12, 10, 11 and 9, 10. Why we have written NR? Can you tell me? If you see the question itself, you should be able to find out. See this? Can you tell me why we have written NR for last 4 year?
One, sir.
See this? First sentence itself, it is very clear.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Why?
Sir, connect you again, sir.
Okay. Okay.
I'll connect in other phone, sir.
Okay. Yes, Anuj.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes. So now you see. So why we have written for the last 4 year as NR? Can you tell me?
He returned on 30th September, sir.
Yeah,
From
not
US.
returned. First time he came to India on 30th September.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Yes,
means
sir.
what? Before 2013,
Before that,
30th September, he was not there in India.
yes, sir.
Yes. For that reason, 2012-13 means what? Can you tell me? 1/4/2012 to 31/3/2013. That means up to 31st March 2013. He was not there in India. Right.
Yes, sir.
He came when? On 30th September. On March, he was not there.
Yes, sir. He was not
Yes,
there.
that is why 0 days. In 2012-13, 0 days. NR. 2012-13, 0 days. NR. 2011-12, again 0 days. NR. 2010-11 also 0 days. NR. 2009-10 also 0 days. NR. So now what is the answer? What is the answer? This is the answer. Can you see the answer now? Can you see the answer?
Yes,
Yes.
once, sir. I'll answer. Yes, sir. It came.
Yes. Can you see the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the answer? Mr. Thompson is a
Mr.
resident,
Thompson is a resident and ordinary.
ordinarily resident. That is the answer. Why that is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Because see this above sentence we have written.
He satisfied the first,
Uh,
uh, then, and also
he satisfies any one of the two basic condition mentioned under section 6 clause 1 and satisfies both the additional condition mentioned under section 6 clause 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is why Mr. Thompson is a resident and ordinarily resident. Whether this sum is clear?
Yes, sir.
No problem, right, Anuj?
Yes, sir.